There are various sharpening stones like oil stone, a water stone, and a slip stone. Oil stone is used to sharpen small chisels that are used mostly for intricate carving. It has two grades of sharpening. One side is used for rough cutting and the other side is used for smooth finishing. A water stone is similar to the oil stone, but here we use water to lubricate the stone. It is mostly used to sharpen planes and heavy-duty chisels such as firmer and mortise chisels. A water stone must be kept submerged in water when not in use. A slip stone is usually a piece of a worn-out or broken oil stone. It is usually used to sharpen gouges or tools with curved cutting edges. The process of sharpening is the same for all the stones, except for the water stone where we use water to lubricate the stone.